Everyone, hello everyone. My name is Anvesh. My registration number is UAK17CL031. Today I will demonstrate about the Doubly linked list program in the data structures. Actually, I did with my C++ program. So here you can see my program, which I did using namespace std struct node, and for the structure I am creating node int data node star next star previous, and in the class I created class name list and private and public, and abbreviations I gave struct node star head and list head equal to null if node. So first I created one temporary node struct node star temp. In the temporary node I am keeping the data, and in the data temp data is equal to num and temp next is equal to null. So the next of the temp equal to I initializing as null, and after the next temp previous is equal to also null, and it will return the temp. And in the void int first, so it's asking to int first. So I'm inserting a value in I mean in a list first. So void int first int num struct node star temp. Here also I created one temporary node temp is equal to c node. If head equal to null, then head equal to temp. Else temp dot next equal to head, then head previous is equal to temp, head equal to temp. So finally it will store in the temp values. It will store in the temp node. Sorry, uh, void in end. So I am inserting it back int nums. So here also star temp I am creating one temporary node temp c node num a head equal to head. If head equal to null, then head is equal to temp. Else while a to next not equal to null, then a is equal to a to next, and a to next is equal to temp, and temp dot previous is equal to a. I hope you understood this step. And void in middle int num int position. So struct node star temp star a star b. So here temp is equal to c node and a is equal to h head. C node is nothing but like temporary node, and int c is equal to 1 if position equal to 1. If head equal to null, then head equal to temp. So as usual in the back process here also. And else temp dot next is equal to head, head dot previous is equal to temp, head is equal to temp. And you can see void delete. My delete function is struct node star a. So here struct node star a star b int num a is equal to head, and if head equal to null, then list is empty. Else enter the number to delete. So I'm entering a numbers in the scene. If head dot data equal to null, then head equal to head dot next, and head dot previous is equal to null. So here in my else function, while a to next not equal to null, then a to data is also not equal to num. B equal to a and a equal to a to next. If a to data not equal to num, then there is no element in that. Else b to next is equal to a to next, and b equal to a to next to previous. So in my finally in my void display function I am displaying the whole. So struct node star temp is equal to head, while temp not equal to null, then cout temp data, and it will show in the display part temp dot next. And in the main function I used uh, switch cases. Here I will show my output. I will run this code and I will show my output. So you can see here it's asking enter the choice. So I'm pressing 1 in front 12, and again I am entering 13. So I enter two values. So you can see here 13 and 12. And if I want to put at back, so I'm entering 2, and I am inserting a value 15, and I am displaying. So you can see 13 12 15, the value which I gave 15 is inserted at back. And if I want to delete a value, so I want to delete 12. Okay, I entered 4 and 12. So now I'll display. So now you can see that 12 is erased in the list. So we got the output as 13 15. Thank you for watching.